Corey Scott here. Just want to talk to you for a few moments. I haven't been on in a while, but I just received a very interesting phone call from a dear friend, and actually a dear friend who's actually in law enforcement. But anyway, this person calls me and says, "You know what, Attorney Scott," and really Corey, because this was, a friend of mine. But she says, "I cannot believe what I just did." She says that the police came to her house actually and wanted to search. They didn't have a search warrant, and they told her that, look, either you can let us search, you can sign off on consent for us to search, or we're going to go to a judge, go to a magistrate, and get a warrant anyway. So she said, even though she's in law enforcement, that her mind just completely went blank at the moment. She didn't know what to do. So she ended up signing off on the form and allowing them to search. And indeed, there were some things taken from her home. This is what I want to share with you. In the legal context, very, very important, very simple advice. If you don't know what to do, don't do anything. Let me say it again. If you don't know what to do, don't do anything. Here's the wisdom behind that advice. Because if you don't know whether or not to do something, you can't go wrong by simply saying no. So in other words, if the question is, well, will you sign off and give us a taped statement? If you don't know what to do, don't do anything. Just say no. I need to speak with an attorney. That way, there's no way that you can incriminate yourself. There's no way that you can say anything that potentially might come back to bite you. Same thing in this context with this search warrant. Had she simply just said no, the only thing they could have done is, just like they said, go to a judge, get a signed search warrant, and come back. By the time they did all of that, she could have reached out, talked to an attorney, gotten some really good, solid advice, and then she would have been prepared whenever they came back. And if they had the search warrant, then so be it. So I leave you with this again. If you don't know what to do, don't do anything, and let them know that you need to speak with an attorney.